Again, welcome to the Mechanical Engineering Vlog. Guys, ngayon ay topic natin about the kinds of servicing done on automobiles and motorcycles. So, number one is the preventive maintenance. It is the taking care of the car or motor to prevent trouble. Kagaya ng kailangan lagi na chinicheck ang kanyang battery, yung tires, yung alignments niya, at saka yung mga oil level niya at ang kanyang timing guys. So number two is the repair of defects uh, repair of defects required when some parts wear. So kung may nasira na yun ay papalitan natin para mabalik sa dati niyang performance. So this is the 6 steps guys in automotive servicing or our cars and motorcycles guys. So number one is the measuring before you can work on a car or motorcycle, you must find out first what's wrong with it. You begin by measuring. Sometimes measuring is done by listening as you when you listen to a running engine. When you check the oil level in the crankcase, you will measure the quality and the oil level in the of quality of the oil. When you check the compression, you are checking the engine performance. So the result of your measurements will tell you what sorts of jobs you have to do. Number two, guys, is the disassembly. Sometimes the result of your measurements tell you that there's trouble. You then have to disassemble or take it apart. So guys, yan ang pag nakakita tayo ng trouble, so tatanggalin natin yung kanyang mga pyesa, guys, or i-disassemble natin yung engine para mapalitan natin siya ng bago or ma-check up natin, guys. So number three is the machining. Machining is a mechanical process that use power tools to save parts or remove unwanted parts to fit our engine to increase efficiency and improve engine performance. So guys, sa machining, gumagamit tayo yan para mag-fit yung ating mga parts guys. Gumagamit tayo mga power tools, iba't ibang power tools like grinding machine, drilling machine, mga lathe machine, at like kung magpapa-oversize ka ng cylinder liner, so papamasin guys yung ating liner at sa pag-aasa ng mga valves, gumagamit tayo ng drills para mabilis siya guys, guys, para magkaroon siya ng magandang fit doon sa ating cylinder head guys. So yan ang ating machining guys. Number 4 is installing new parts. You might find that some parts are so worn that they must be thrown and replaced with new one. Example, damaged engine bearings, oil seals, gaskets. So yan guys, ang number 4 yung installation of new parts. Pag may nakakita tayo ng mga sirang mga bearing, mga oil seal at mga gaskets para maiwasan mga leaks. So kailangan palitan natin yan guys. So number 5 is the reassembly. After you fix the trouble, you have to put some parts back together to complete the engine troubleshooting. So guys, yan yung reassembly after na ma-fix natin kung ano yung trouble. So ibabalik natin yung mga tinanggal natin mga parts para ma-complete natin ang engine troubleshooting. At at the same time, testing natin guys kung okay na yung or na-fix na talaga natin So yan ang number 5 steps. At so guys, dito natin sa number 6 adjustments. As the automobile and motorcycle is operated, parts natural wear. This requires adjustment from time to time. Also, adjustment must be done after a service job, like the adjustment of the valve socket clearance after grinding the valves and putting it back together. So, yan ang pinakauli guys, yung pag-a-adjust ng mga timing, yung kasi nga ang mga parts natin guys ay nagkakaroon siya ng wear and tear guys habang ginagamit natin sila. So, kailangan ibalik natin yung o i-adjust natin yung kanyang mga mechanism like sa pag nag-grind tayo ng mga valves. So kailangan pag binanik natin guys ay adjust natin yung mga valve tappet clearance niya guys para maganda yung kanyang performance, hindi tutukod or hindi naman sobrang luwag siya guys guys. So yan ang 6 steps guys in automotive and motorcycle servicing guys. So guys, maraming salamat ulit sana may natutunan kayo sa maikli nating vlog na ito. Magandang araw guys at God bless sa lahat.